Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to fix your Cash App monthly limit and increase it up to 7,500 if you have hit your sending or receiving cap. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the steps to unlock higher limits by verifying your identity. Let's get started. So here the deal: when you first sign up for Cash App, your account comes with limited access. That means you can only send and receive small amounts, and it caps your out pretty quickly. But the good news is Cash App lets you increase your monthly limit to 7,500 or more if you verify your identity, and it's only takes a few minutes. For this, first open Cash App, unlock your phone and open the Cash App. From the home screen, tap the profile icon in the top right corner to go to your account settings. Scroll down and look for the tab labeled personal. That's where you complete your ID verification. Cash App will ask for your full legal name, your date of birth, the last four digit of your social security number. In some cases, Cash App might ask you to upload a photo of a government issued ID like your driver's license or passport. Just follow the on-screen instructions and take a clear, well-lit photo. Once you have submitted your info, all you have to do is wait. Verification usually takes between 24 to 48 hours, sometimes it's even faster. Once you are approved, Cash App will automatically increase your sending and receiving limits. You will now be able to send up to 7,500 per week and receive unlimited funds plus access more features like direct deposit and Bitcoin purchases. And that's it. That's how you fix your Cash App monthly limit and unlock full access in just a few steps. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and drop a comment if you have got any question. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.